In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 companies that are hiring right now. Okay, they're hiring for full-time and part-time work from home positions, and 2 of those companies offer you time freedom, which means you get to choose your own hours, because on this channel, all the jobs that I talk about either offer you time freedom, location freedom, or you have the ability to work from home. My name is Azara, work from home specialist. I'm a little tongue-tied in this video today, but I'm not starting over, guys, because this is how we do it. No takeover. So if you're interested in learning about these companies, please stay tuned. And as always, I like to offer you a word of encouragement on this channel from the book of life, the Bible, which is the book of my life. And today's word of encouragement comes from Philippians 3:12 through 14. There is one thing that I do. I forget those things which are behind me, and I move forward toward the goal ahead, to win the prize which God has called me to in Christ Jesus. Forget the past. Keep moving forward. Keep believing. You will win the prize. Okay, family, so the 3 companies I'm going to tell you about, the first one I'm going to tell you about, they're offering 2 jobs. They have 2 jobs they're hiring for right now, and it's from the company Sykes, okay? The first position is a teacher quality evaluator, okay? This is a part-time position. They're paying $25 an hour for this part-time position, guys. And they offer a flexible schedule with this position. What you're going to be doing with this job is you're going to use your teaching experience and skills, and you're going to be evaluating educational and family-friendly sites, okay? So if you're familiar with the admin position, in that position, you rate web pages and you talk about the quality of those web pages. Well, this job, you're kind of going to be doing the same thing, but it's going to be in the educational and family friendly sector. Okay, so if you have teaching experience, you're a good evaluator, this is the position for you. You have to work anywhere between 10 to 30 hours per month, and you must have strong computer skills, okay? And the equipment that you must have for this position is you got to have your own computer and your own phone, because you can work from your phone with this position. All right. The second position I'm going to tell you about is from the same company, Sykes. Now, this is a full-time position, guys. They are hiring for customer service representatives. The pay on average for their customer service positions are around $11 an hour, according to Glassdoor. It could be less than that, or it could be much more than that. With this position as a remote customer service representative, you're going to answer questions and provide solutions for customers from the comfort of your own home. They don't go into a lot of detail about the position that you will be hired for, because Sykes offers positions for many clients, okay? They have clients in the education and learning sphere. They have clients in healthcare, retail, travel, and hospitality. So the details of the job is going to depend on what client you get hired for. Let's see. They do offer benefits, though. They have 401k, full medical and dental benefits, and generous paid time off. And for all my international watchers, they do offer positions in other countries. You just have to research and find out if they offer it in your company. If they offer it in your company. If they offer you if they have positions available in your country. You're going to have to search the website to find that out. All right. The second company I'm going to tell you about is called Zotec. Okay. They are hiring for full-time customer service representatives. I wasn't able to find any pay information about this company. This is a work from home position. This company does offer you benefits, though, guys. You get paid time off, which begins accruing on your first day of employment. You get paid volunteer time off. Okay, so they pay you to work in the community That is awesome. They offer you monthly bonuses, and with this job, there are no late night or weekend hours, okay? So with this job as a remote customer service representative, you're gonna have the opportunity to make an impact on patients' lives every day by answering inbound calls and resolving billing inquiries from home. All right, so you're pretty much just going to be working with patients and solving their billing problems. All right, this company was also voted the best place to work in 2020 according to the company website. The last job I'm going to tell you about is from Mod Squad. Okay, Mod Squad. I don't know why I did that. All right, they have brand representative positions. This is a United States opportunity and a international opportunity because they are hiring in the United States and they hire worldwide. The brand representative positions are in a number of different categories. You could be hired for a chat or email agent, a community support associate, a tech support specialist, either in a full-time or part-time capacity. The pay for this job is anywhere from $10 an hour into $17 an hour. And they offer benefits. They have flexible hours, matching programs, medical benefits for U.S. candidates, and they say it's a fun working environment. My Squad, they are the global provider of managed digital entertainment engagement services. So basically, you will moderate web content, manage communities, and create buzz on social media for clients like the NFL and so on and so forth. So if you have skills in moderation, if you're really good with social media, I would suggest you apply for this position. Those are all the positions I have for you today. As always, my best life and work advice is to acknowledge God in all you do, and He will help you. If God says yes, no one on earth can say no. Now you go get that job. Bye, family.